Hot rice in your hand, middle hot, you know. But you don't really feel it because the pain receptor them in your middle your hand, you know, really too strong. But hot rice in your face. You fuck are you? By your jaw. 3rd degree burns. 4th degree burns. 5th degree burns. Burn right up. In all seriousness though, you never have a send in your face in my boss. You could have just dash it on the ground.
Why you do it, John Crow?
And ground is where this next man was sent. Now this looks like one old school popcorn machine of sorts. I could be wrong, but you know, just looking at this, me feel like when they were invented, the mortality rate was severely affected. Like every time they use this, the user risked life and limb.
God go with him.
Just for you get little popcorn.
What's fucking? What's that?
And just for behave like a ass, he got upstaged to buy a real one.
What's your problem?
You just got singers.
Or you just walk down, sir. No little chatter, no little badmanism. Okay, I see. I threw a police.
You fuck are you?
The way how he turn idiot in a TV, do you remember say he have one phone? You just take your cloth down peacefully and go on about your business. More time you have video on your phone.
No.
And what you intended to video
No, my glass. No.
was not what you actually videoed.
Glasses.
The person who cleaned the window there did an excellent job.
Glasses.
What make it so sweet are the confidence in I walk.
Oh my god.
Just like the confidence behind the answer. Yeah.
Okay.
What do you get when you freeze water? Okay, get this one right, Mazan.
Fridge.
Not even understand how you get that wrong.
What do you get when you freeze water? Okay, get this one right, Mazan.
Fridge.
With the bomb deal.
If it did say where, then of course it would have make sense. But it said,
What do you get when you freeze water?
and you replied,
Fridge.
and the world. Because boss no fool, you know. Yeah man, but I want to believe say boss no fool. I just bad foot placement. And it sent him to the pavement. Why my general, you get up fast hoping that the moment would quickly pass. But because of that camera, the moment was captured in HD, so it will surely last.
Okay.
Jaja God. You see part where connect a full steel, you know. So you know it's heavy. You no matter if she did barely swinging or a full swing, you know, it's still hot.
Okay.
My word of advice to you, my boss. You see, next lesson where you go gear, make sure so you have some bulletproof glass to stand up behind. Question: at what point does one know, you know, yeah man, I'm strong enough now? When the gym machine them can't handle your strength and start fight back for their life. Yeah man, you're strong enough. If you can't stop guy gym.
Remy man a beat by. What the fuck?
Boy, the buckle of spirit there would rather death than forget drink. It prefer to settle in a Miglai road on the asphalt than to be settling at the bottom of your stomach.
What the fuck?
Whoa, pick up!
Sir, me know you get the belly bottom dropout feeling.
Whoa, pick up!
When you realize that a piece of wall there was almost your unofficial tombstone.
Whoa, pick up!
God go with him, you know. We now go with him.
You know that feeling there when the belly bottom feel like it just loose and drop out? Me know him get that feeling there. If it could have been visualized, me feel like it would have looked something like this. Well, look like dinner is over. And so is the video. That is it, people. Bagwan, honestly, everybody good? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. You see me? As always, me appreciate the love and the support. Hey, whenever I want to see a video, just go watch one old video, man. And you know, sometimes I do things and then, like, time just, I'm gonna get to make a video. So when I make video too, I have to make them bulk, in a bulk. Because we don't know what will happen. You understand? Time and life will happen and then me have to go just, you know? I don't know them way there, man. But I'm glad so always there for support. I'm glad so you look out, you stick and stay, you know. I appreciate that, man. Big up on yourself, man. You see me? And you know the thing. You hit the like button, you hit the share button. The like button more than anything else, really. And you know, drop a comment. Subscribe, of course. I have ideas, people. If you don't know watch the video on K2K yet, I'm going to put the link in the description. So you go watch that video there. Yeah, that video you are supposed to see on screen. I show the thumbnail. Yeah, go watch it. I me thank you before you even watch it. And drop a like over there. Like help to put this in the algorithm because YouTube is stressing. Yeah, man. One time I never did that for you. Stress out much. You just put up a video can go viral easy and them think the video can go on the road. But I be a stress with them now. So, do the little thing them for me, please. See? This is K2K. You think it, you believe it. And you live to achieve it.